for you.
In WonderLabs Park, the mighty T-Rex is the king. But tonight, his kingdom is in danger, because in the shadows, something ancient and powerful has escaped. Can the WonderLabs team save the T-Rex? See what happens when world's biggest snake meets the King of Dinosaurs.
Run faster, my friend. This alarm sounds like something bad.
Almost. Are you ready, Marina? This button tells all the other dinosaurs to be on their guard. Titanoboa is dangerous. Oh, frog spawn. The lockdown failed. The big slithery thing
Is taking a walk, and it looks like she's heading for her favorite neighbor. Wowzers!
She's longer than a basketball court. That's at least 100 of me stacked on top of each other.
And this giant snake is getting closer to the T-Rex every single second. All right, team, ready to go. Dr. Bubbles, try to keep the screaming to a minimum this time.
I make no promises.
Kids, as you can see, the snake's old home couldn't hold her. She was just too strong. Not even WonderLab's strongest glass could stop her. It was like a train hitting a tissue.
And remember, she is not a biter. She is a hugger. A very, very strong hugger. Her squeeze is more powerful than 3 school buses stacked on top of you. To be honest, I don't want to feel that. I don't want to be a frog pancake.
She's getting closer. I'm flooring it. Hold on, Bubbles.
I'm holding on. Go faster, Marina.
Super boost activated.
Wow! Our WonderLabs mobile is off. We're in the middle of the jungle, and I think we're getting closer to her. Did you see that? The bushes. They just wobbled.
I saw it. She's close. Activating the final stage of the plan.
But strangely enough, nothing on the radar yet. Where could she be? Wow, we are here!
Let's explore this up close. The T-Rex is beside himself. The Titanoboa must be nearby.
And Titanoboa, the prehistoric giant snake, was nearby. But she was waiting for the right moment.
There she is, ready to attack the T-Rex. Dr. Marina, what should we do? The T-Rex is her main course. We have to act fast.
Okay, Dr. Bubbles, deep breath. We just get one shot at this. Come on, girl, take the bait. Decoy deployed. It's emitting a thermal signature identical to a hot dog stand.
We're going to fight a monster with imaginary street food?
Yes, and watch, she is going for the hot dog. Now, gotcha! The prehistoric danger noodle is caught in the electronet.
It worked! The T-Rex is safe. I'm safe. Phew! We did it. High five, Marina. All in a day's work at WonderLabs. We learned that the Titanoboa was the biggest snake ever, and it hugged its prey. A little too hard.
Could the Titanoboa have defeated a T-Rex? What do you think?
Subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure. Marina, what's that beeping?
Looks like we get wet in our next mission.
It looks like our work is never done. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.
WonderLabs, WonderLabs, meet our scientific crew.